All right. Today's first lesson is going to be about sorting coins and bills. So future lessons will focus on identifying the different coins and bills, their values and names, also adding, subtracting money, as well as making purchases. But today we are focusing on the foundation skill of sorting coins and bills. All right. Our today's lesson checklist is going to cover, we're going to listen to the presentation. We're going to complete the student practice assignment. That'll be in the assignments tab. Then you will turn the assignment in on Google Classroom when you are finished. And of course you can re-listen and redo the activities to ensure competency with this skill. Skill areas addressed in this assignment. The main objectives is to sort objects by their attribute, so the coins and bills by their different sizes, shapes, colors. You'll have to follow multi-step directions during this assignment. It'll work on fine motor skills using the mouse or the touchpad on your Chromebook to drag the coins and bills to their column that you'll see in later slides. And also using technology skills. So first you have to log in to the Google Classroom, open this presentation, open the assignments, complete the assignment, turn it in. So there's a lot of tech skills that are in this assignment as well. All right, so we're first going to start with coin sorting. So there are 4 different types of coins that we use here in the United States. They are all different sizes, and there are 2 different main colors. You can see this one here is kind of a coppery brown, and the rest are silvery colors. There are different thicknesses. They have different faces on the fronts. They also have different back sides and different images they depict. So when you're sorting these coins, you can look for the colors, the size difference, the differences in the faces and the back side, and that'll tell you which category to sort the coin into. Next we'll move on to bill sorting. So similar to coin sorting, each of the bills are unique and different. They have different faces on the fronts. And now, bills are different colors. So you might see some older bills that are all green, but the newer bills, you can see here in the 10 and the 20, they have different colors in them that you can differentiate between the 2. And also the back side of each bill has different pictures depicted on them. One of the easiest ways to sort bills, as you can see, each bill has numbers in every corner. So we did this in class one time in one of our math lessons that we found, you can see on the $1 bill, you can see the number 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It's also written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So it says all over each bill which one it is. All right, and you're probably asking yourself, why is this important to be able to sort change? Well, first, it makes it easier to count. If you have a big group of change and you're trying to wrap it to bring to the bank like we do in class, it's easier to have all the similar coins in their own pile so you can count them. Which you can see right here, this is what wrapped change looks like that we bring to the bank. And if you bring it to a coin sorting machine, like a Coinstar or even some banks have them, many places charge you a big fee just to sort your change for you. So you can save yourself some money, stay organized by sorting change yourself. And being able to sort change, you can apply this to other skills if you're sorting silverware and putting that away, if you're sorting your laundry. So it's just a good skill to have to be able to sort objects. All right, the next slides are going to be student practice. You can access through the Google Classroom under the Assignments tab. I'm just going to walk through it here so you can kind of see some examples and how it's done. And when this presentation is over, you can open that yourself and complete the assignment there. So at home practice, sort the coins and bills you have at home as well. So if you can't access or you're having difficulty with the slides, if you have different coins or bills at home, use the tabletop, put them in a pile, sort the coins. We do that at school as well with different sorting containers too. So the students, you guys have a receptacle or a place to put the coins in. and you can do that as well. All right, your first slide for a student practice is going to be coin sorting. So you have a column for each coin, and you have a starter sort with a front and a back image of each of the 4 coins we're going to use. So for example, we'll start with placing the back side of this coin. Which column does it go into? See how it matches? Right here, so we're going to drag with our mouse, and that coin will end up in this column. Just like that. All right, another example, if we take the next coin, and that's going to go right here. So you see how it matches? There you go. And you can do these in any order. So what you're going to do is take all of these coins one by one and drag them to their appropriate column. Next, move on to sorting bills. Same concept, same way. You're going to take the bills from this column and then drag them and put them into the correct column. You can stack, if there's not enough space, put them on top of each other, that's fine. When I go through and check the assignments, I can see kind of where each bill and coin are to make sure that you guys got it right. So same way, we're going to take this bill, and it's going to end up in the right column. Next, we'll take this $5 bill. It goes into this column. And one last example. So notice how each bill matches the images from above. All right, next steps to take. Rewatch this video if you need to. If you have any questions, feel free to email, ask a parent or someone at home, a sibling, for help if you need help. In the Google Classroom, open up Math Student Practice number 1. Each of your assignments will be labeled in order, so today we're starting with number 1. Sort the coins and bills into 2 slides that are presented. They're going to look just like the ones that we saw here. Okay? But you can go in and edit your own. Everyone will have their own copy, so feel free to drag the different bills and coins to the right column. When you're finished, turn the assignment in on Google Classroom. It's very important because we won't be able to see your assignment and what you've been working on until you turn it in. And that also shows us that you're online, you're doing your daily work. And lastly, use coins and bills at home for extra practice. So I have a few that I found here out in my car. So you can take the coins that you might have at home and put them on the table and practice. And if anyone wants a little extra credit, if you want to take a short video or just a picture of yourself working on this assignment, feel free to upload that. Email it to one of your teachers, attach it to your assignment. If you need help doing that, you can email the picture to yourself right from your phone and then forward it along to Monica or myself, or attach it into your assignment right here on Google Classroom. All right, I hope everyone does well with their first assignment, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.